How to decorate a table for Christmas. Here are 5 amazing ideas inspired by different styles and colors. In this video, you will see how to create them using the Planner 5D app. But before you see them, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Planner 5D channel. Idea number 1. Candy cane. Let's recreate the traditional Christmas candy cane on this table. The main colors will be white and red. Start with the table runner in the middle of the table. Change the texture and color. Take a set of plates with the main red one. A candy cane with fir branch are here as decor. Also, choose a cutlery set with a fabric napkin. Select the necessary colors and copy the objects for 4 persons. For the centerpiece, choose a vase with a fir branch. Add additional decor with vases filled with dried flowers. Some branches should be red, for others, change them to white. Include transparent wine glasses for each person. Christmas throw pillows will add the vibe and comfort to the chairs. Finally, add sets of pine cones on the left and right sides. Idea number 2. Soft Christmas touch. The main part of the next option is the centerpiece, which will create a festive vibe. Natural decorations form the basis of this centerpiece. Additionally, incorporate red dried flowers and a white fir branch into the composition. Combine them, change the stand color to white, and add some roses to complete the centerpiece's look. Use the same set of plates and cutlery on the fabric napkin in the color of the chairs. Duplicate the items for 6 persons, and your Christmas table is ready. Idea number 3. At the gnome's party. This is one of the most unusual and cute decors. The key color here is yellow. Therefore, choose the same set of plates and cutlery, but change the color to yellow for the main plate and white for the napkin. Duplicate the bundle for 6 persons. Next is the centerpiece. Choose one with fir and flowers. Adjusting the color accordingly, the size should also be bigger. Duplicate it 4 times to fill the space. Add 6 silver candlesticks. And for the funniest part, gnomes. Change their color to yellow and add 6 of them. Welcome to the party. Idea number 4. Frozen fantasy. This table will immerse you in the atmosphere of a snowy winter. Start with the set of plates and cutlery with a napkin. There is elegant decor with a bauble. Change the colors to white and light blue. Duplicate the set for 4 persons. A fir in a vase is a perfect match for a centerpiece. Add 1 more to make the fir fluffier. Include dried flowers and change their color to light blue. For decor with candles and baubles will perfectly complement the centerpiece. Adjust the color to make the look of your table consistent and duplicate the decor for the left side. Add small bauble decorations and change their color. Set wine glasses for 4 persons and you can invite the guests. Idea number 5. Pinecone Classic. The last one will give you a festive mood with a connection to nature. Put a red tablecloth on the table, but change its color to a more calming shade. Choose a blanket, alter its color and size, and use them as fabric napkins, duplicating for 6 persons. Then, set the plates and cutlery. Change the color to beige and duplicate. For decorations, use 3 main pieces: fir branches with candles, dried flowers, and decor with pine cones and flowers. Change the color to classic red, gold, and white. Make the fir decor bigger and add it to the left part to make the decoration symmetrical and complete. So, which idea do you like the most? Let's recap them all. Put the number of your favorite idea in the comments and hit the subscribe button not to miss our next videos.
Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year! Ho, ho, ho!